few viral products that I have been trying influence okay मैंने ये blind buy किया. So this again is a very edible, how natural it looks. Purple packaging, it's called brown nude, not at all greasy, sticky. बाल कम है तो कम है, क्या कर सकते हैं. Hi my loves, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. आज की वीडियो में I will be sharing with you all few viral products that I have been trying for the past month or more, I want to say. Now if you're not living under a rock, you must have spotted these products here and there on the internet, या फिर आपने अपने favorite YouTubers या influencers को देखा होगा इन products के बारे में बात करते हुए. तो आज की वीडियो में of course I had to give you my take on these items. तो चलो without any further ado, let's get started. Start करते हैं सबसे पहले product से जो मेरे lips पे इस वक्त है. What I'm wearing on my lips is from this Indian brand called Ras Luxury Oils. They make incredible products. Okay, I've had the privilege to work with them, but this obviously over here is not sponsored. This is the Oso Luxe Liquid Lip Balm. Okay, I love this lip balm, especially this particular shade. It's called brown nude and this is what I have on my lips. I think so I am over that phase of overlining. On very few occasions I will, you know, overline my lips and do the whole shebang apne lips pe, but otherwise I love like a very muted, very soft lip cream, lip butter, that sort of a thing is my vibe. And if that is your vibe, you need to try this out. This is how it looks like. Nudish brown shade hai, just how the name suggests. Okay, this is how it looks on my skin. I am currently filming in natural light. This is absolutely true to its color. कोई ring light नहीं है, मैं बस window के आगे बैठी हूँ. sunset हो रहा है इस वक्त, तो इतनी bright light भी नहीं आ रही है. But yeah, this is how this lip cream looks like. It is so comfortable on the lips. You feel like you're wearing nothing. If you are somebody जिसको ना drying formulas पसंद नहीं है या फिर आपके lips बहुत जल्दी chapped हो जाते हैं, I think so something like this you will absolutely love. The formula is super creamy. Now this is transfer proof. Okay, तो ये ऐसा नहीं है कि आपके lips पे लगी रहेगी, but I feel that is the beauty of such formulas. It keeps your lips hydrated. Yes, you have to apply it after you've eaten or throughout the day, but it just gives you this beautiful sheen. It's super comfortable on the lips. It feels like you're wearing a lip balm, but it has this beautiful color on it, and I feel कि ये वाला color काफी Indian skin tones को suit करेगा. So if you are looking out for like a new hydrating lip product जो थोड़ा सा glossy भी है but उसमें प्यारा सा color भी है, definitely you can check out this one. I was carrying this with me the other day and the bottle broke. So do you see this? ये bottle ना टूट चुकी है. अब जब ये टूटा तो मेरा दिल भी थोड़ा सा टूट गया, and I was like I have to repurchase it again, and that is why I've decided to put this in this video because this is stunning. This is a stunning formula, especially for summers. Speaking of summer, I have a new fragrance. Now I'm a Pinterest girly. I have been seeing Latafa ke perfumes everywhere. People are going gaga for Latafa ke perfumes. Now Latafa एक Arabic brand है, and I had to try their perfume for the summertime, which is the Yara perfume. So basically this perfume over here. सबसे पहले can we just appreciate the bottle? Okay, this is how this perfume looks like. Now ये bottle scream कर रही है holiday, tropical vibe, summer vibe. Okay, and oh, you know, this was a blind buy for me. Basically internet से मैं influence होके मैंने ये blind buy किया. Now I am here to confirm that the hype around Latafa perfumes is real. I have tried their Yara perfume. This is incredible. I've gotten compliments every time I've worn it. Okay, oh my god, इसमें definitely आपको कोकोनट की खुशबू आती है, साथ में इसमें एक डिलिशियस मैंगो की फ्रेग्रेंस है. इट इज जस्ट अ वेरी एडिबल परफ्यूम एंड दिस इज परफेक्ट फॉर दिस टाइम ऑफ द ईयर. नाउ इफ आई जस्ट रीड इसके नोट्स, इसके टॉप नोट्स आ जाता है कोकोनट, मैंगो, पैशन फ्रूट. हार्ट नोट्स में इसके ऑरेंज ब्लॉसम है, जैस्मिन है, एंड बेस नोट्स में आपको वैनिला मस्क ये मिल जाता है. फॉर मी दिस इज डेफिनेटली अ समर टाइम फ्रेग्रेंस. इफ यू लुकिंग टू बाय अ न्यू फ्रेग्रेंस, you want to try an Arabic perfume, definitely look out for this one. It is sweet, कोकोनटी, हल्का सा वैनिला के नोट्स भी है इसमें, मैंगो के नोट्स भी है, एंड it is just a very pretty perfume. If you are a girl, you will really enjoy this fragrance. As always, I will make sure to leave a link to everything that I talk about in this video in the description box, so wo check out kar lena. After trying this, and this is like a success in my eyes, so I am actually drawn towards more perfume from Latafa. By the way, iska naam basically Yara है, Yara Tos. It's a heavy bottle. Packaging को definitely 10 on 10 मिलेंगे. Like it is quite sturdy. So this would be my second recommendation. Fragrance के topic पे है, of course I have to talk about this fragrance over here. Now this is Plum का body loving range से, this is the vanilla caramello body lotion. Okay, this is how it looks like. ये 400 ml bottle है and इस पे तो हमेशा डिस्काउंट चलता रहता है. Now this is how the texture of this fragrance is. It's like a proper body lotion. It is quite lightweight. It's not very you know वो thick moisturizer नहीं है, तो इस time of the year में भी आप इसको use कर सकते हो. Now this over here is supposedly the dupe of the very famous Bum Bum cream from Sol de Janeiro. Okay, and that costs a bomb. If you are on a budget and you don't want to spend 3-4-5,000 on that, get this one for just like 300-400 rupees. It will last you a really long time. बहुत ही प्यारी सी sweet caramelly vanilla vibe है. Of course इसके नाम में ही vanilla caramello है. So this again is a very edible sort of a fragrance. If you're somebody who's fragrance driven and you want like a very प्यारी मीठी सी खुशबू, definitely you can check this out. Speaking of body lotion, मेरे पास एक body oil भी है that I am in love with. It is from the brand called Hibiscus Monkey. Okay, ये इनका आ जाता है velvet spray and ये कुछ इस तरह से दिखता है. You can clearly see मैंने ये कितना ज़्यादा यूज़ कर लिया है. Okay, इसमें I think so 1-2 variants आ जाते हैं. मेरे पास bergamot variant है, I think so there's an orange variant also. This is your in shower body lotion. After the gym I am using this every single day and आपको ये लगेगा कि oil है इस टाइम इतना चिप चिप में, how will you use it? But you guys, this absorbs into the skin so nicely and so beautifully. Okay, इसमें यहाँ पे पहले तो stopper आ जाता है on off करने के लिए, ये वाला button over here. Okay, now let me just spray it. Okay, so मैंने ये स्प्रे कर दिया है. It's like an oil and you just massage this on your skin. ये oil in no time absorb हो जाता है. It is not at all greasy, sticky, वैसा कुछ भी नहीं है. How they recommend to use this is you use this after you've taken a shower. So you apply this all over your body. Then you can go in with another round of just warm water or normal water and then you get out of the shower. तो उससे क्या होता है ना, जो body में absorb होना था oil वो हो चुका है. कुछ अगर excess on the skin रह गया है, once you pour water all over your body एक बारी और after applying this, वो जो excess oil है ना वो भी निकल जाता है. So this does not feel sticky on your skin whatsoever. I love the fact that this is more like a spray bottle thingy. Okay, I really appreciate this. Otherwise ऐसे oil निकालो लगाओ. This is just quick and easy. This is something which is great for on the go. If you are a lazy girl like me and जो ना कई बारी ऐसे कौन moisturize करे, उसके लिए this is great. You can see कि मैं यहाँ तक इसको ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ. So yeah, I would highly recommend this product. Okay, you guys, 2 more products and then we're done. Let's talk about the most hyped up foundation that everybody's talking about right now. It is the Maybelline Superstay 30R foundation. This is a Lumi matte foundation, meaning it's not completely matte on the skin. It has some amount of glow to it. इसमें SPF 16 भी है, which is always nice. If I just talk about the packaging, it comes in a glass packaging. Very cute. Okay, this is how it comes with a pump. ये purple packaging है. I'm pretty sure you've seen every influencer talk about it. Now मैंने ना जब ये मैंने first time try किया था तो मैंने तब वीडियो फिल्म की थी. Now I'm gonna pop in that video over here when I tried it for the first time and मेरे आपको thoughts उस वीडियो में मिल जाएंगे. Guys, so this is how the packaging looks like. मैंने ये लिया है in the shade 125. Now I'm just gonna take a pump of this foundation and this is the consistency of it. थोड़ा सा रनी है, it's not very runny, but हल्का सा रनी है. पहले हम एक पंप लगा के देखेंगे फेस पे कि कितनी कवरेज ये देता है. Now you can clearly see I do have acne marks on my skin. पहले तो जो ये यहाँ पे red marks है. Now I am going in with my fingers because this is how I like to apply foundation for a more natural look. And wow, this has actually, do you see how effortlessly, अभी तो मैंने सिर्फ एक finger use की है, how effortlessly this has blended into my skin. Wow. One pump अगर लगाओगे तो your थोड़ी सी मेरी redness है ना, it is still peeking through my skin. So again, if you are looking for a light coverage foundation which की तो किसी भी एंगल से ये नहीं लग रहा है. ओके, I would not even say lightweight, it's more like a medium coverage का foundation. I am currently filming in natural light, so this is how this foundation is looking on the skin. As far as I can tell, ये matte ड्राइंग मैट नहीं है, हल्का सा मुझे शीन यहाँ पे तब भी थोड़ा सा दिख रहा है, आई डोंट नो हाउ वेल कैन यू सी इन द कैमरा। और पंप मैं लूँगी, सो दिस वाज जस्ट वन पंप एंड वन पंप से मेरा पूरा फेस इज कवर्ड। आई डोंट नो वेदर यू कैन सी ओवर हियर देयर इज दिस डार्क लाइन, तो ये हल्का सा ना आई फील ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा है, so I would suggest you to go one shade lighter because it is oxidizing, या फिर आप immediately पाउडर से इसको सेट कर लो। शेड लाइक आई सेड इज 125। आइडियली आई शुड यूज अ ब्रश बट आई एम जस्ट गोइंग इन लाइटली विद माई फिंगर्स। ना ऑफकोर्स ब्रश के साथ थोड़ी सी आपको ज़्यादा कवरेज भी मिल सकती है। रीज़न वाई आई एम पर्सनली गोइंग इन विद जस्ट माई फिंगर्स इज़ मैं ऐसे ही यूज़ करती हूँ एंड आई वांट टू टेस्ट इट आउट कि ऐसे यूज़ करने से कवरेज थोड़ी मिलेगी, हाउ डज इट लुक ऑन द स्किन। स्टिल फील दैट दिस इज जस्ट ब्लेंडिंग इन टू द स्किन in like no time. There is no harsh say lines जो form हो रही है, it's just blending seamlessly यार। You can see यहाँ पे ना मेरे हल्का सा एक्ने हो रहा है, तो एक्ने तो ऑफकोर्स अगर वो बाहर है there's a pimple, वो उसको चाहिए छुपा सकता है, but redness and all for now is covered pretty nicely. I am back after applying a bit of blush. This foundation is a thumbs up from me, mainly because I really like how this sits on the skin. For this time of the year, this is perfect. You can just apply some powder and you're good to go. I really love the demi matte sort of a finish, lumi matte they're saying, जो ये provide कर रहा है. It's beautiful, medium to a buildable coverage if you're looking for, which is perfect for every day. Okay, perfect for every day. I would say कि एक pump ले लो या half a pump ले लो for every day. अगर आपको ज़्यादा coverage नहीं चाहिए, you just want like a light coverage. For weddings and all, आप इसको amp कर सकते हो to 2 to 3 pumps. So that aspect I really like about this foundation. The hype around this product is actually real. It's a very good foundation. Okay, तो ये है मेरे final thoughts on this foundation. Do I like this foundation? Will I recommend this foundation? I would say actually yes. Now this is not a full coverage foundation. Very medium coverage ही आपको देगा. Having said that, for the price what a drugstore foundation is giving you, I would say you can definitely look into it. If you're looking for a new foundation, you don't want to spend a lot of money, this is actually a really good foundation. आप इसको light coverage की तरह भी apply कर सकते हो, okay, just with your hand. Now ये 30 hours तक रहेगा, ये तो मैंने test out नहीं किया, but if you're looking for a new foundation, the hype is sort of like I agree with the hype in the sense कि yes you see a lot of people talking about it, but I agree to the fact कि drugstore में this is a good foundation. It looks beautiful on the skin. Okay guys, let's move on to the last product and वो है ये product over here. This hair is a brand by Parul Gulati. She came Shark Tank पे and she makes hair extensions and all of that, hair extension, bangs, scrunchies. Now what I really wanted to try from her are उसके scrunchie है around 2200 rupees का. इसमें grey color आता है, black आता है, थोड़ा सा natural brown आता है and like deep blackish shade आता है. Okay, मैंने black लिया है because clearly my hair. Now I'm like कि मैं brown भी ले सकती थी but उस वक्त brown out of stock था, so I went with black. Packaging is brilliant. Okay, it comes in ऐसी packaging. Okay, अंदर आपको ये पूरा सिल्क का केस में भी यहाँ पे फ्रंट में ब्रांडिंग है. दिस इज हाउ द सिल्क पाउच लुक्स लाइक. इट हैज ड्रॉ स्ट्रिंग्स इन इट and then there you go, this is the product. Now this is how this scrunchie looks like. ये भी अच्छे से इस नेट वाली पैकेजिंग में आया है, which is great. Now if I just show you this product पास से, do you see how natural it looks? जिसको आप just twist करके अपने बालों में से पीछे लगा सकते हो. Of course I'm gonna give you a demo right here. तो चलो डेमो देती हूँ. यू कैन क्लियरली सी विद माई नेचुरल हेयर छोटा सा प्यारा सा बन बनता है. आई डोंट हेट इट बट समटाइम्स यू जस्ट वॉन्ट दैट वॉल्यूम. तो वहाँ पे दिस कम्स इन टू प्ले. वंस यू अप्लाई दिस, आई जस्ट ट्विस्ट इट ट्वाइस. आई हैव यूज अ रबर बैंड. यू कैन जस्ट डायरेक्टली गो इन विद योर हेयर एंड जस्ट मेक लाइक अ मेसी बन sort of a thing and you can clearly see the difference. I really love this look. This gives you a nice thick volume पीछे which according to me looks beautiful. I've left some hair just for some styling purpose, but overall I feel this bun is a thumbs up. If you are a girly who is struggling with the hair, get some help. These things are now available in the market for people like us, okay? So don't feel shy or don't feel people will judge you. बाल कम है तो कम है, क्या कर सकते हैं. What we can do is make them look nice puffy by applying fake bun sort of a thing, and there's no shame about it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I love this. The color match is also not at all bad. I would say कि Amazon पे ये सारी चीज़ें ना आपको 300-400 की भी मिल जाती है. मैंने खुद लिया है, बट वो एक्चुअली बहुत ही फेक लगता है. वो लगता है कि फेक बाल है, बिकॉज ये नेचुरल बाल है, तो ये लगता है कि दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ योर हेयर. इट डज नॉट लुक फेक, एंड दैट इज द रीजन. इफ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग विद हेयर, आई वुड से कि सेव अप एंड ये 2200 का ये बन ले लो इफ यू आर अ बन गर्ली. अदरवाइज अमेजोन पे 300-400 के भी मिलते हैं. इफ यू जस्ट वांट इट फॉर अ लुक, वो ले लो. I would say niche hair is a win thing from my end. So you guys, this is my take on all of these hyped up products. आपने अगर कुछ ट्राई किया है इनमें से और आपका टेक सेम नहीं रहा है, let's say you have tried this and you don't like it, वो भी प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ, because this channel is all about us sharing the things that we like or don't like. तो अगर कोई ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपके लिए वर्क नहीं की है, I am pretty sure कि other people, other girls can get help उस कमेंट से. या फिर you want me to try कुछ लॉन्चेस, कुछ अदर लॉन्चेस फ्रॉम अदर ब्रांड्स, वो भी आई वुड लव टू फिल्म. आई नो यू गाइज इंजॉय वॉचिंग मेरे हॉल्स या फिर मेरे व्लॉग्स, बट आई पर्सनली लव रिव्यूइंग थिंग्स. मतलब टू टेस्ट आउट थिंग्स एंड गिव यू माई ओपिनियन. दैट इज जस्ट लाइक माई फेवरेट थिंग. recommending products is something which I truly enjoy, and I want to take my channel उस direction में, where I'm testing out, trying out things for you. So anyways, enough of me blabbering. I will take a leave for now. अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया मेरे चैनल को, काइंडली सब्सक्राइब कर दो. इस वीडियो को भी thumbs up दे दो, कमेंट कर लो what is your favorite item or what do you want me to try. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, please take care of yourself. I will see you next time. Bye.